Okay, I had everything back together. Now I have everything all apart. I was hoping I didn't have to replace these T-fittings, but look at them. I just pulled apart. Now that might have been a couple days in the parts washer, but obviously that's not going to fly. Now that's fitted between carburetors 1 and 2 and between 3 and 4, which I have not disassembled yet. But to disassemble this, it's 4 screws, mounting screws, 2 tiny screws to pull off parts I'm going to lose here. Where's my can? Need a fresh can. Okay. I had to pull off the butterfly for the number 1 carb. That's the butterfly. Unscrew 2 screws. There's 2 small mounting, 2 large mounting. I had to pull the top of the slides out, the top of carbs and the slides back out. I didn't have to, but they were in my way. And this slides out pretty easily, but I'm not going to take it all the way out because I want to leave this. Ooh, some crud in there I didn't know about. I want to leave this linkage together, that spring and this linkage together. That's part of your throttle linkage and your setting up your carb sync. So I don't want to screw with that. I'm going to try to leave that where it is, but unfortunately I don't have any of those T-fittings. I have to leave this apart until I can find one. But at least now I can get it on there. And then I'll repeat the process with number 4. Okay. Back after I find some T-fittings. Okay, quick update. This fitting, which is rubber, a rubber T, which is, I think this is the only model that uses this fitting. After a bunch of research, I could only find OEM replacement. I think there's 4 left in the States. I bought 2 of them. They cost, hold on your hats folks, $55 each, per each, plus shipping. Losing my profit margin on this bike pretty quick. So we're gonna have to be happy with experience and a hobby, because ouch, I'm really finding that parts replacement for this bike is probably what kept people from rebuilding it in the first place. Very little out there. Honda does not want to support these older machines, and there's no profit in starting up building these parts from scratch. So here we go. Hopefully this is the last of the expensive parts for the carburetor. They should be in about a week. We are going to move on to cleaning up the, hold on, we can move right here. We are going to clean up our brake cylinder for rebuild. We're going to take some of this paint off of it and we're going to get it ready to paint, so it'll be nice and pretty when we put it back on the bike and rebuild it. Okay, that's next.